Oh, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is RG Vlogs. So I hope guys you are all sitting in home without workout. As people who go to the gym also, so he is also working or not, I don't know. So for them purpose or for all purpose, they can also learn who this is a home workout. So simply wasting your time. So as well as you can build your biceps as well as in your home itself, enlarge your biceps and keep stiff and stay safe, stay home, so don't go out according to this COVID situation. So lockdown is going on. I hope guys it's very boring also. Then also, so now only just go to online classes and just study, have assignments and eat, sleep and do workouts. This is only the my workout. I mean to say this is my time routine everyday daily life. So guys, workout also I also could not do for some purpose 15 to 20 days. Even I am also delayed. Then also I tried to keep proper in a stiff way. So today, before going to start my video today about biceps exercises or whatever, so I would like to introduce somebody that is Imon Bhanja. So he live in Kolkata. So he is a very great musician, very great song maker also. We can say, as well as good rapper also we can say. So such a good rapper he is according to myself. I would like to make you to also experience his music from past 1 year he is trying. So I would like to say you guys please do support in iCard channel also. I will mention him. His everything it is there, I think so. You can see to it. In description also I will give to it, as well as in iCard channel also you can go and verify, and please do listen his all the musics, and please thumbs ups and give him, and if you like to his channel please do share also and support to show some love also to him. So before going to my exercises, I am going to put one of my best song, so about student daily life. Okay, he has song very nice. So according to this lockdown in our daily life from morning to night, what we do, what with net shortage, Wi-Fi shortage, whatever. So based on that, every daily life what we do, right? So about that only has sang the song. So rapper. So I hope guys Bengali people who are all watching my video, so I hope you will get the music meanings, okay, what he has sang. So I would like to say that, okay, my hairs are too messy, shit, messed up, whatever. I would like to on his music, so I will do all the workouts. Okay, please do watch.
মনে নেই পুরো শান্তি ভাই না তাড়াতাড়ি হাতে চাকরি চাই হিপ হপ ভালোবাসা তাই ধরছি মাই পেলে ফ্লোগুলো পুরো থাকবে সাইক স্যাক্রিফাইস করি হচ্ছে আমি জীবনকে নিয়ে কি বা হবে বল জীবনের বিপক্ষে গিয়ে তাই করছি ফেস লাগছে বেশ আর দিচ্ছি কেস প্রতিবার গানে সমাজকে নিয়ে হাতে ফোন তার সাথে ইউটিউব প্রতিদিন অনুদিন সব স্কুল তাতে কি হবে ভাই প্রডিউসার তো নাই তাই এদিকে ওদিকে মানে কপি ভাই তোকে ফাইন দাম করবো ভাই এভরি নাইট আরো শিখতে যাই কিন্তু করবো বিট দেখা হোম ইনসাইড এটা ফর শিওর কেউ ছাড়ে না হাত চালবে না ধরে এভরি টাইম পাঁচ মারতে লাগে না হাত ধরবো পেন আর মারবো তা কত দেখছি সাপ ঘোরাফেরা করে আজ পিছু হতে জানে গেছে সব কটা কারা ছেলে আর কোনটা বা যারা ছিল তারা হাতে আজও একসাথে এক হাতে এক মাঠে কিংবদন্তি হতে চাই সবটা বেশি বের কদর না কজনের থাকে সবগুলো থেকে কম করি কাজ বেশি কথাগুলো বলি খালি তাই ধার বেশি নিজে থেকে যেটা পাই সেটাতেই খুশি ভাই যেটা করে সেটাই তো প্রতিবার খুশি কথাগুলো তোরা কান পেতে শোন এটা মিনিট ক্লাস টাইম প্রতিদিন লাগে শোন তাই ছুটি বলে কিছু নেই জীবনে তবে সাধারণ আমি কেন ভাবে এরা হাই ফাই দেবো রিপ্লাই দেবো নেট শেষ করে ওয়াইফাই দেবো সব ভাই ফুল টাইম থেকে ফুল টাইম করে ফুল টাইম করে ফুল দেবো ভাই সুইচ এর রুদ্র নীল তার ছুরি পুরো পাড়া আজ করবে ফিল ছুরি দেখ তোরা একটা ঢিল ছেলে তুলে সব মিলিয়ে মারবে দিন দেখ আজ কত হচ্ছে ভিড় মেরে এরা পেছনে দস্ত ভিড় আমি কিস করি সমাজকে শুরু বাকি সব করি ক্যাশ করে প্রস্তুতি straight out there censura
Mula Kim Bodanti. So this was our Raymond Panja. So about daily life, he is saying how we spend our daily life. Okay. So about that only the music was. As I hope guys something little music you have enjoyed, I think so, lyrics. So it's in his description also. I would like to mention his channel in my iCard channel also. Okay. So everything you will get it in description. So please go into description and as well as iCard channel also. Don't forget also. And please do support, show some love. Okay. So now what I did this bicep exercises as well as triceps also it was included, as well as your deltoid arm as well as shoulder workout also it was covered. So I hope guys you would like this video which I have done about the bicep exercises. So procedure I would like to say, it does not mean that taking in your hand dumbbells and doing crunches according to dumbbell curl you are doing like this simply. It's not like that. Everything techniques as well as science also there behind this. So this is our dumbbells as we can see. Okay. So another one also back workout also you can do this one. Bend and pull it. Just blow out, breathe out. While immersing down, breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, breathe in while immersing down. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Okay. So these two curls. Okay. What I was doing is like this. I was holding it. Breathe out, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out, breathe out. Okay. While down, breathe in. Rotate, breathe out, breathe in. Okay, like this you have to be doing repetition. So I think so guys, for this dumbbell curl and all, whatever it may be, 5 into 15 times. Okay, 5 into 15 as well as the 15 crunch and 5 sets, 15 reps and 5 sets you can do it. So as well as another one also you can do. Stiff. Just grip your body. Don't shake your body too much like this. It's waste. Constant. Okay. Feel the pain also. It won't pain. Okay. First day if you are doing very hard, it will pain. So guys, another one. While doing like this, don't keep your wrist like this. Your dumbbells should be like this downwards. Okay, 1 minute. So this is your dumbbells, right? So this part will be going up like this. You have to just curl it up. This will be downward. Hold like this downward only. Don't throw like this. It will be injured seriously. So all risk and all it's in your hand, all responsibility is also in your hand. So I hope guys do slowly, do constantly. Okay. So guys, I'm sweat too much. Okay. I hope guys you would like this channel. Please do like and share and subscribe. So today was this tutorial. So another one, next vlogging I would like to say that something like combo type exercises. So within 15 minutes we have to cover it our exercises. So I will bring that also exercises. So I hope guys this is enough for you all today's episode. So I would like to say please do like, share, support to his channel also. Okay, thank you.